Boy, talk about having a Riker and doing DIY stuff. Woo! What up, man? It's your boy Money Mac coming back on the DIY tip today, man. So we all know how expensive the audio systems are for the Rikers, right? Um, I'm a retired veteran, so yeah, I got to do things on a budget. This is what we got, man. It's a crazy idea. I know. It's not that crazy, but when you're operating on a budget and you just need music, this is what we went with. We got these right here, the LG X Boom Goes. They come in a two pack. It's $40. $40, bruh. Yeah, no. I'm about to show y'all what $40 and some Velcro will get you. And I just went for about an hour ride and they didn't budge and they sound phenomenal. So check it out. Yeah, buddy. So what I did was I took some Velcro to the back of these and put them on the windshield plate. You know that void right there between your windshield? Yep. So I took that Velcro and I mounted them on there, and they ain't going nowhere. I just went on an hour-long ride, and they ain't going nowhere. Man, I know it looks weird, but it serves a purpose. And I can just take them off whenever I need to charge them up or charge them up via the USB that's in the Riker. So I consider that a win, win, and a win. One win, two win, three win, because I still get my music while I'm riding on my Riker for the low skis. But eventually I'll spend the three, four, $500 on a sound system for the Riker. But for right now, I'm good. This right here works perfect and they sync up instantly and they sound phenomenal. This your boy Money Matt, man. Gone with another DIY. Save you a few bucks on your Riker and it don't look tacky, in my opinion. Y'all let me know what you think. It's your boy. Gone.